Hello, I'm Wolfgang from Wolfgang PurityLawBeer channel. Hello again. Yesterday I made a CLP of the brewing house. I also cleaned one CCT with hot basic, and before I continue now to put acid inside, I will put all the butterfly connections and the packing away, clean them and put them back, and then we make the next one with acid. Because it's still basic there, I'm using gloves. I know some people have hands like skin like leather. I prefer this one. I always start from the top.
Here we go.
This is fun later to put together. It is like Lego products. Everything is assembled. I go cleaning now and I'm back soon. So here we are again, all parts cleaned. Now we put it together again.
Here we go.
My Fundapparat, how to say this in English? Somebody has an idea? Please write me in the comments how to call it in English.
Here we go.
So, I think we are done with that one. Now we will have around some acid.